So this is the insulated fireproof shit. Anyway, working on this here. Alright, using high temp adhesive, I'm just starting out there. Put that one back in there, put in, I'm going to cut a piece for here. Grab a knife. Couple more seconds. Let's go get some more. Yeah, if I'm being completely honest, I would say that the generator iteration, energy generation. Anyway, do some more of this. One more here. Just shove them on up. Like that. And the last one goes in there. There we go. Alright, so the rain has passed. This is going to be a muggy video. And all my shit got wet. Because it does that. So, one of the fun things that we did when we put in the Aqua Hot, it's kind of hilarious. So we removed the old battery for the Jenny. And so now I've got to come up with a solution for where the battery is gonna go. I could just hook my generator into the house batteries, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to have a cycle. Anyhow, here are all the battery cables for the generator. The generator box is right here. So I think what I'll do is run cabling through there, and we'll put the battery in the other bay over there. You know, I think it'll fit nice and neat and everything. So let me run those cables. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this battery into this area over here. This is where our shore power line stores. It's right in here. And I'm gonna put a box in here which will serve two purposes. One is to keep the reel from bunching up this way, like, and that'll stop it there. And the other is because it's the most convenient place to put it. So I'm going to screw this box into the top of this, and then we're going to set that in there, and then we're going to run cables through our conduit through the middle of the bus over to the generator, where we'll then be able to start her up. All right. Generator batteries in place. Let's see how the top fits on there. So I'm using this C-Volt battery box. You can get it from West Marine, whatever. It's got a little vent hole on the top, and it just protects it like that. Then we'll run our wiring out of here, down, over, and across and through there. Really simple. We're going to use a 4-aught wire. I'm going to try and push it through. I think I need to pull it through, but let's try and push it through real quick. So we got our 50 amp service coming in here. These are all rated at 600 volts. Let me run a line through. Damn it. So, I want to make sure that I'm going to run it through the right way. So we're going to back it out around and yada yada, so that it comes right over here. Come on. And underneath there. Take these, take them down, like this. And this will give us a nice little pull through. And so we're pulling both our wires at once by wrapping them both together. Pulling one length of wire like that, and then when we get it through, then we'll clip the middle section for the length that we need. Go ahead and feed this in a little bit. Should be pretty simple. There she is. That's probably plenty. So what this is going to allow us to do is put a cutoff switch to the battery right over on this side next to the generator where we're going to put it in. And we'll just put it right up on that wall. And then when we go to start, we can just go click or turn it off if we're going to be working on it. So I do need to run this wire over. I think this is from the positive leg. I think this is the trickle charge from the alternator. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. And so I need to run this over as well so that we can hook it in. So battery disconnects. Let me go find one. All right, here comes the rain, so we gotta bail again. See you next time.